Happy morning children. Welcome back to our science online class. In our last class we learned the parts of a plant and the main parts of a plant are root, stem, leaves, branches, flowers and fruits. Today we are going to revise our next lesson, that is types of plants. Children, some plants are very big and some are very small. Okay, what is the name of the big plant? It is called trees. Based on the size and shape of the stem, plants are of different types. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. And the first one is trees. Trees are tall plants with strong and woody stem. See here, you can see here mango tree and banyan tree. They have thick woody stems are there. Next one, shrub. Shrubs are small plants with bushy and thick stems. Example, cotton, hibiscus and chilies. You can see they are small plants but they have woody stems. Next one, herbs. Herbs are small plants with thin stems. And you know, banana tree is the largest herb in the world. Next one, climbers. Climbers are plants, they have weak stem. So they need support to grow. See here, grape, vines and pepper. They need a support to grow. Creepers. These plants also have weak stems. They grow along the ground. These are called creepers. Let's learn detail. First one, trees. Trees are tall plants with strong, hard and thick stems. The stem of a tree is called trunk. The branches of tree grow high above the ground. And you know, trees live for many years. Children, what is a trunk? The stem of a tree is called trunk. Trunks can be light or dark. The trunk of some trees like peepal and palm are whitish. Children, some trees are very different from others. For example, palm tree and coconut tree, they do not have any branches. Children, have you seen a banyan tree? Then how it look like? In banyan trees, roots growing from the branches and this root act like as pillars. Next one, shrub. Children, you know what are shrub? Shrubs are small plants with thick and woody stem. Shrubs look like bushy because the branches grow close to the ground. The stems are woody and they live for many years. The examples for shrubs are rose, cotton, hibiscus, etc. Herbs. You know what are herbs? Herbs are small plants with soft and thin stems. Herbs are mainly used in medicinal purpose and it live for few months. Some herbs like canna live for many years. Some herbs like banana grow tall. You know, banana plant is the largest herb in the world. Climbers. You know what are climbers? The plants have weak stem that cannot stand their own. So they need a support to climb. They are called climbers. For example, money plant, betel vine and grapevine. Creepers. Creepers also have weak stem. They cannot stand their own. So they creeps along the ground. For example, watermelon, pumpkin. Children, all of you take page number 13 to do our book back exercise. Write C for correct and W for wrong. First one, the trunk of a tree is always brown. Is it correct, children? No, we saw the trunk of some trees like palm and people have whitish color. So it is wrong only. Second one, the branches of trees grows close to the ground. Is it correct? No, the branches of the trees grow high above the ground. So it is also wrong. So you want to write W. Shrubs live many years. Is it correct? Yes. Shrubs live for many years. Fourth one, herbs can live for many years. No.
Herbs will live for few months only. Then fifth one, climbers have weak stems. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So you want to write C. Next one, match these. Palm, shrub, banyan, herb and banana. The palm is a tree without branches. Next one, shrub. Shrub has branches close to the ground. Banyan has roots growing from branches. Herb is a plant with soft stem. Banana is a tall herb. Name one. You can write Indian names. First one, a tree that has whitish trunk. You can write peepal or palm tree. A shrub we grow in garden, rose or hibiscus. Then a tree that has orange flowers. You can write mimosa tree or Sita Ashok. A herb that live for many years. Canna, Canna. The next one, a tree that gives us fruit. You can write mango tree or jackfruit. Children, next page there was one activity. Collect the leaves of herbs and shrubs. First one, stick the leaf of a herb. So you can collect and paste the leaf of any herb and write the name of the plant, color of the flower and when do the flowers bloom. Like that you can also collect the leaf of a shrub and write the name of the shrub and the color of the flower and when do the flowers bloom. Children, it was a very simple activity, so all of them want to try to do this activity and write the answers in this column. Children, take a new page to write your classwork. On the top of the page you want to write lesson 3. The next line you want to write the heading, types of plants. After that leave one line and write new words. New words finish means leave one line and write filling the blanks. After that you want to write the question answers. Children, follow the instruction given in the last videos and write your classwork very neatly without any mistakes and post in our WhatsApp group. Children, hope you all understood about types of plants. Then read your textbook and learn new words, fill-ups and question answers in your classwork and try to do the activity also. Thank you.